Yun po ang importante. Because for all we know, sa atin po ngayon ay there's such things that we call, and may I quote to you. Alam na po ninyo ito, but this is only a reminder to all of you. Ito lang ang babasahin ko. And to put emphasis on what is the real meaning of this. If you know under the Constitution, there is an Article 11 of the Constitution. The accountability of the public officers. Accountability of the public officers. Sino yung mga public officers? Of course, the elected. Of course, the appointed na mga opisyales, be it in the LGU family or even in the barangay for that matter. And in this Constitution, nandiyan din nakasaad yung mga powers ng mga non-governmental organizations or the general constituency na tinatawag natin na the grassroots or the masses. That is embodied also in the Constitution, of which they have also the moral obligation and duties and responsibilities to help the local government unit or any agency for that matter, the national or local or NGO, na kinakailangan magkakaisa, especially ito the government. The public office is a public trust. Yun nga pag sinabi nila. Public officers and employees must at all times be accountable to the people. To serve them. Tayo po yun with utmost responsibility, integrity, loyalty, and efficiency.